welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. If you have any Samsung model like that and you want to hard reset your Samsung smartphone, but you can see here there are no working this power button, means you can't switch off your smartphone like that. Because of that, this power button is not working when your smartphone is in lock mode. Okay, so you have to do some important changes. So you hard reset your Samsung smartphone. Because of that, when you press this power button option here, this power button is not working. You can see here you can't switch off your smartphone. So how can you hard reset your any Samsung model? So I'm going to show you. So you have to complete watch this video from starting to until end. So how can you hard reset your smartphone? Let's get started. First of all, when you trying to hard reset your smartphone, you have to connect the data cable with your smartphone cable. When you successful connecting your data cable with your smartphone with the charger or computer, so after that you have to press power button plus volume up button plus volume down button on the same time. Press and hold. Don't release the any buttons. Press and hold power button, volume up button and volume down button. Don't release. After this charging animation comes, you have to release all the buttons here. Okay, and wait for until this charging started. When this charging animation has been started, you have to press again power button plus volume up button and press and hold until your hard reset page comes on your mobile screen. Don't release these buttons. Press power button plus volume up button on the same time, and done. Your hard reset page comes into your mobile screen. You can see here there are lots of options. So you have to select the wipe data factory reset and go down. For go down, you have to use your volume buttons. So press press volume down button to go wipe data factory reset. After comes, you have to confirm this to press power button. So select the power button and confirm. After that, go down factory data reset and press power button to confirm, and you can see here your smartphone is going to hard reset, wiping your data. And after successful your wiping data, your smartphone will redirect to reboot system now. So click the power button to confirm here, and after that your smartphone is completely hard resetted. So you have to release the power button. Okay, and done. Your smartphone is completely hard reset. If you have any type of queries regarding this method, so comment us. Our team will reply within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any Samsung model. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.